AI, or artificial intelligence, is reshaping our world. In the geosciences, AI facilitates countless breakthroughs, while introducing new challenges related to reproducibility, research efficiency, and collaboration. Picture a group of researchers striving for groundbreaking discoveries using Earth observation data and AI. Their insights are new, but their approach to creating reproducible workflows is old, sometimes leading to months of lost work from duplicate efforts or difficulties in reproducing results. But what if we could make scientific research more efficient and productive? What if 5 years of research could be packaged into a single file and shared instantly across the globe? What if onboarding new researchers took 2 weeks instead of 2 years? Geoweaver makes this seamless continuation of research a reality. It is an open-source, browser-based application that runs in the background and can be integrated at any stage of a project. Geoweaver ensures rapid reproducibility, saving your team time and money by logging all the steps in a scientific workflow, from data preparation to trial and error and visualizing results. It also tracks model parameters in computing environments. Then, with one click, full-stack workflows are condensed into a single file that can be shared and executed instantly by colleagues. Geoweaver is already revolutionizing research in labs and institutions worldwide, from reducing onboarding time by up to 98% to facilitating major collaborative projects across labs, disciplines, and organizations. Geoweaver's impact is tangible and transformative. Join the ranks of top-tier research institutions who are already improving their time to science with Geoweaver. Start using Geoweaver for free at geoweaver.dev.